I'm Ajita. I work as a Green Doctor for Groundwork 5 Counties, a regional charity. We visit homes and help households stay warm, stay well and save money on bills. I'm going to go through some tips and advice on using energy efficiently and how that can help you to save money. To get the most out of your energy, it is important you know how your heating system works, including your boiler. If you haven't got your manuals, don't worry. There is a lot of information, including videos online to help you. Simply search for the make and model of your boiler or heating system. Some advice that's applicable for almost everyone is to set your boiler flow to no higher than 60 degrees. Use your programmer, if you have one, for a steady temperature that switches off when that temperature has been reached. It is not very energy efficient to constantly put your heating up and down and will cost more as your home needs to warm up multiple times rather than staying at a comfortable temperature. Make sure the temperature in your home stays between 18 and 21 degrees. If it goes any lower than 16 degrees, particularly in colder weather, moisture will settle and your house will be at risk of damp or mould forming. Bringing your temperature down by just 1 degree can save up to £100 every year. Other handy tips are to turn off all appliances at the socket when they're not in use. This can save up to £60 a year. Also, make sure to use the eco setting on appliances such as washing machines. Other energy-saving measures, such as using an electric shower for a maximum of 4 minutes, only fill the kettle to the amount you need, and don't leave the tap running when brushing your teeth, all can help save you money. Lastly, replace old bulbs with LEDs. These can be up to 92% more efficient, and each bulb can save you about £5 a year, with an average lifespan of 14 years. It all adds up. So, if you find this useful or want further information, you can contact us for a Green Doctor home visit. It is completely free of charge as we are fully funded. Visit our website to find out more and make an appointment.